Right, we've just turned up on a job. We're going to be doing a marquee today. It's dry at the moment, but I think there's rain forecast on and off all day. You can see it's pretty cloudy. Right, we've got all the stuff. We've just been bringing it in, me and Joe. It's a 4x6 marquee with a few chairs, tables and a carpet. So it's not too big a job, but it is in quite a tight space, and the customer has decided to change the layout. I wanted it lengthways, 6 metre length on the grass so I can fix it. He wants it head on because there's going to be rain forecast over the tomorrow, and he wants it butting up against the house. Makes it a bit more awkward because it's a very tight space. It's a 4 metre wide tent and the space is 4.3, which doesn't give us a lot of room to manoeuvre it. Right, we should bring the rest of this stuff in and crack on. Right, we're just setting up the tent now. As you can see, it's going to the front of the house there. Joe's just building the framework now. It's a bit tricky in this space here. We've only got just over 4 metres width to get it in, but we should do it. Obviously it makes it a bit trickier. But, yeah, we'll crack on with that and take it from there. Right, the framework built up, we managed to get it in. And you can see it was a tight squeeze. We normally like to leave a metre, so it's a 4 metre wide, we'd like to leave it 5 metres. This occasion we've only got about 200mm each side, which makes it awkward when you're strapping these down. A bit at the back here will be fine, a bit at the front, not so much. That was the reason why, when I spoke to the customer, I wanted it set up that way. But it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so they've changed their plans. Right, we're going to put the sides on now, tie it all down, and then we're going to lay a carpet down, and that's it. Not too much to do on this one, but yeah, we should crack on. Okay, there's the marquee. 4x6 with the carpet, one table, 15 chairs. It's not a bad size. We couldn't butt it up right against the house because the doors open out into the patio area, and they're 2.1 metre height with the step at the bottom, and the height of these is 1 metre. The only way round that is to leave this whole panel off, butt it up against the house, but if you've got a lot of rain it will get in, so it isn't ideal. Other than that, that's it. We'll have a look around the other side. It's all strapped down. We've got some straps on the grass here. Some of it we couldn't get on it. So we've had to tie it off. Put a piece of one of the feet into the timber there and tie it off that. But we often do that if we're setting them up on decking. It should be alright. Right, that's pretty much it. Have a look around the other side. Same here, strapped down. Joe managed to get one of the eye bolts into the brickwork here on that corner, which was quite handy. So that should be pretty good. Right, that's us done. Over to the next one.